Well, good news, everyone. Let's join Duke on another Arf-V adventure today. We're taking a short hike to Locust Creek Covered Bridge. It's about a quarter-mile hike there and a quarter-mile back, a total of half a mile. The bridge itself was built in 1886 and originally named Lynn County Bridge, and is the longest of the four covered bridges remaining in Missouri, which is 151 feet. As you notice, we're crossing a little bridge right now, which is not the covered bridge, it's just leading to the path. And if you notice also, the path is kind of muddy, and I wouldn't really call it handicap accessible. On the website it says watch out for conditions because it's often muddy. The bridge actually serves as a link over Locust Creek on America's first transcontinental road known as Route 8. But as cars became more widespread and the horses and buggies that were riding on Route 8 were eventually replaced with Highway 36, which is a little bit to the south, and Route 8 was later abandoned. Here's the bridge. It was a nice little hike, little muddy spots here and there. If you notice, there's something else missing, which is the water. There's no water under the bridge, and that's because the creek was straightened, and where the waters once flowed, there was none. And it's a dry creek bed. Duke is just looking at the architecture of the bridge here, and he's admiring the trusses, which are made of white paneling and are the Howe truss system, named for William Howe, who patented in 1840. Duke just loves to sniff. I think there's probably something that he smells up there. But we're walking through the bridge. Nice little bridge. There was no one at the park while we were there, but it was getting toward the end of the season anyhow, so it was a little bit chilly, and it just rained, I think, the night before, which is why a lot of the water was there. So we're at the end of the bridge, and then we turn around and we go back the other way, just to get you a 360 view of the bridge. Keep sniffing around, you see some carvings and stuff there. It's kind of sad when people desecrate historic sites. This is actually on the National Historic Registry as well, and run by Missouri's Department of Parks, I believe, or the Conservation Department, I think is what they call it. Now we're headed back the other way, and you see some more graffiti. Getting sad. Duke's just checking things out. Walking, sniffing, nose to the ground, as he always does. I think he enjoyed this one because it was a little bit small. It wasn't that long of a hike, and it was pretty cool out as well. Here he goes again, and he'll be looking at these trusses in a minute. He's just a funny dog. There must have been something up there. I couldn't see it. It was kind of dark. I couldn't even see it on the video either, but Duke must sniff it. He smells it. Must be a squirrel or something up there. He just wants up. Admiring the architecture. What a good boy, huh? So, and now we're coming back to the beginning where we actually entered in the first time. Again, looking up the trusses. And we're finally out. Duke also makes note that there was no water under the bridge either. And he goes under when I was actually taking pictures, and he's looking and says, "Where's the creek?" And so I had to explain to him later that there was no creek because it moved. But we got a good view of the underneath of it, and we're headed back again on the trail. As you can see, there was water on it. Besides the small spots where there were water, the trail was actually pretty nice. Duke sees something or smells something in the woods, and he jumps over, tries to go find it. It's pretty amazing in a quarter mile that he can probably have so many scents and smells. Probably something up in the tree bugging him. Yeah, we're pretty much almost done with this little video. We just gotta cross back over the bridge, which we did, and now we're on the other side. Duke's getting a little drink of water. I'm actually trying to make him wash his paws off before we get back into the RV because they were kind of muddy. And there we are, back to the RV. Duke enjoys this adventure like he enjoys every adventure. So hopefully you'll join us for other ones as we go along. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below.